Everyone is cooking ice cream.
Who in their right mind is cooking ice cream? Ice cream! Not cooking cream, ice cream! It's iced!
After seeing this genius idea,
Genius, he says. Genius idea, you say. Really, bro? Really?
start by adding 4 vanilla ice cream cones to a large skillet.
What's a skillet?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Medium heat with 500 milliliters of boiling water and stir everything very well until fully dissolved. Now, in another large skillet over
Using a lot of skillets, are we?
medium to low heat, add 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 2
Unsalted butter. Unsalted butter. What's unsalted butter? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm sorry I couldn't finish this edit. I had some school stuff to do, but I think I'll post part 2. Maybe like tomorrow or something. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't post the full short. I have some things to do. Yeah, see y'all later.